How to create an application form like this. Once I click Submit, the data will automatically be recorded in Google Sheets. The HR department will also receive an email notification every time someone submits an application. And at the same time, the applicant will receive a confirmation email as well. Let's build this in Google Sheets. In a blank Google Sheet, enter these headers. These are the basic information fields for the applicant. After that, simply format the sheet, adjust the column widths, add fill colors, and change the font colors. The design is completely up to you depending on what you're comfortable with. Next, if you want to freeze row 1, just go to the View tab, then select Freeze. Once everything is ready, click the Extensions tab, then select Apps Script. Wait a few seconds for it to open. Once open, add a project title so we can easily identify it. Delete all the existing codes so everything is clean. Then paste these codes. Make sure they are placed inside the code.gs file. Go to the top part of the code and replace this email address with the HR email address that will receive the applicant's submissions. Next, copy this word applications from the code.gs file. Go back to your Google Sheets file and rename the sheet using the same name you copied from code.gs. They must match exactly. Go back to Apps Script. In the File section, click the plus sign, choose HTML, and name it Index. It should also match the file name used in code.gs. Make sure the file names are identical to avoid errors. Hit Enter, and it will appear. So now we already have code.gs and index.html. Inside the index.html file, delete the existing codes and paste these new codes. We won't change anything else here. Save the codes. After that, click Deploy, then New Deployment. In the Select Type option, choose Web App. For the description, you can type anything you want. Under Execute As, make sure it is set to Me. Then under Who Has Access, make sure it's set to Anyone, since we will share this with applicants. Once everything is OK, click Deploy. An authorization access window will appear. Just click it. Click Advanced, then click Go to Applications. Check Select All, then click Continue. Wait a few seconds until the web app is successfully updated. A link will appear. Copy the URL below, then click Done. Open a new tab and paste the URL. Now, our application form will appear. This is the URL that we will give to applicants so they can apply online. Let's try entering sample data into the form. You can also attach your resume. Once done, click Submit Application. If the application is successful, go back to your Google Sheets file. Here, you will see the applicant's data automatically recorded. At the end, you will also find the link to the uploaded resume, which you can download and print. This is only a sample resume, so it doesn't contain any actual content. Aside from that, you will also receive an email notification whenever someone submits an application. At the same time, the applicant will also receive a confirmation email. That's it. This is Marcus Andreno, automating your work one sheet at a time. Subscribe and follow for more.